Hello my early birdies. I'm really excited to share you my first Euro trip. Well, it's early morning in Tampere and we are catching a flight from Helsinki airport. Well, I would say it's a bit of a trip, station after station, but that's what makes it exciting. And I promise that the view will be worth it, so stick around and enjoy this journey with me. So the train journey from Tampere to Helsinki takes about an hour and a half, and honestly it's such a treat for the eyes. So enjoy guys. We finally made it to the airport and closer to the destination. Yay! Well, we have landed and I cannot be more excited. Hello Amsterdam. It's literally pouring outside. Oh boy, you can't stop me. Okay, let's kick it off. So that's the hotel we are staying. Let's make a quick run to the hotel before we all get completely soaked in the rain. Come on. So right after dropping off our bags and decided why not to start exploring right now. So before even grabbing dinner, we went on a little mini canal tour around the city. And let's skip forward to day 2. Good morning from Amsterdam, and here's the hotel we are staying at. They say that the city looks the prettiest in the morning, so I'm out to explore and see it by myself. Well, I'm here for some morning rituals. Well, it's a lie and you know it. Moving forward, let's keep everything aside and quickly grab some breakfast before the clock hits 10. So today's plan is to walk around the city and honestly do nothing and explore the city. That's the plan. Honestly, Amsterdam is amazing. It's amazing and everyone is cycling around the city, but I skipped this time because the road felt a bit narrow and busy compared to Finland's. While wandering around, I stumbled upon the cutest little cafe / vintage store. And look at this fur baby. He's just acting like he owned this place. Isn't he so cute? I forgot to mention the name. It's called Coffee Bar Brut. They were also serving free coffee, and seriously, you got to check out the interior. It's full of contemporary art and has such a cool and creative vibe. And this isn't the only one. Most of the interior around the city are just as amazing. Every cafe, shop, little corner feels so creative and insta-worthy. And I spotted some local artists showing their work right on the streets. It is such a cool way to experience Amsterdam's creative side without even going to the big museums. Sadly, my phone started dying and I couldn't film as much as I wanted to. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse of our Amsterdam adventure. There's so much more to see, so stay tuned for the next part of this journey. Bye for now.